Cyber conflict is not written in language, it is written in signals. For years, LLMs learned to read words. LOGFORCE taught them to feel behavior. SIGINT LTM, large telemetry model, does not ask what an event says. It measures what the event is. Every action carries a blast radius. Every decision must respect authority. Intelligence without privilege awareness is chaos. EQOS was built to prevent it. LOGFORCE, Endpoint Cognitive Operating Shell, does not simply execute commands, it evaluates consequences. It analyzes risk, impact, and privilege boundaries before recommending a single action. For the user, it proposes the safest path. For the administrator, it unlocks decisive control. Not because it can, but because it knows the blast radius. LOGFORCE understands when to observe, when to contain, and when to act. Blast radius cyber intelligence, with risk measured, authority respected, and consequences understood.